Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to clear app cache on iPhone. So guys, the first thing that you will do is you could just simply go ahead and open up the settings into your iPhone. And now once you are in the settings, now from here guys, you could just simply go ahead and select General down below. And now here, you should be able to see here iPhone storage, the third selection. And now from here, you should be able to see your data on how many applications and photos or iCloud Drive that is consuming your iPhone storage. And now from here, you should be able to see all of the list of application that you have. And in order for you to clear the cache on a certain app, go ahead and select one. And from here, you should be able to have an option over here of load the app. So this will free up storage used by the app, but it can still keep the documents and data. And pretty much from here, you should be able to delete the app, the documents and data, and select offload app. So pretty much that's how you do it. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And guys, if you have any questions, comment down below and thanks for watching.